Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here or if this is your first time checking us out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Before we dive in, we've got some exciting news for you. We're celebrating World Watercolor Month here at Artikate and we're hosting a giveaway where you can win some really cool art, craft and stationery supplies. All you need to do to be eligible is complete the task, and to know what the task is, watch this video till the end. Everyone who completes the task will be entered into a lucky draw and some really lucky winners will score exciting prizes. So good luck and stay tuned. Today we're going to show you 3 gift ideas using watercolors. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create stunning, personalized gifts with just a few simple supplies and techniques. All the materials we're using today will be linked in the description box below. For this video, we'll be using Dalla Rowney Aquafine watercolor set. It's a great set for both beginners and more experienced artists. So definitely check it out if you're on the lookout for a premium, travel-friendly and budget-conscious watercolor set. First up, we've got this envelope with watercolor illustrations on the edges. We love this one because it turns something as simple as a letter and envelope into a little piece of art. The great thing about watercolor here is how it lets the paper texture show through, giving it this dreamy, soft look. Next, let's look at this birthday card with candle illustrations. Isn't it cute? For this one, we played around with how much water we mixed with the paint. More water gives you soft, light colors. Less water makes the colors bright and bold. The great thing about watercolors is that you can easily create different looks just by changing how much water you use. Don't worry if it seems tricky at first. The more you use watercolors, the better you will get at controlling them. Soon you'll be able to make exactly the colors and effects you want without even thinking about it. Last but not the least, we've got these 2 cute fun cards, the melon and loaf illustration. For these, we use a technique called wet on wet to get these soft blended edges. It's perfect for creating that juicy look for the melon. And the best part, if you mess up, you can just lift the color off with a bit of water and a paper towel. So the task for you is to comment below your best tip for someone who's new to watercolor painting. For more techniques and informative content, check out our Instagram at @Artikateofficial and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly post tips, tutorials and inspiration to help you on your creative journey. So there you have it, 3 simple yet thoughtful gift ideas using watercolors. Remember, it's not about making a masterpiece, it's about putting a little piece of yourself into your gift. Your friends and family are going to love the personal touch. That's it for today's video, and don't forget to complete the task, like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Make sure to check out the other YouTube videos for more chances to win amazing prizes. Thanks for watching, keep creating and happy World Watercolor Month.